Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I have my new headphones and I am Alan B. I am going to open these headphones. Here they are, and they are in gloss black. Here is a black box. I am going to open the black box. Change the way you hear the sound. Here they can Here they are. This is the case. I am going to show you what is inside the box. This is the manual instructions, the charging cable, the mini jack and two mini jack cable, and this I don't know what is it. I have here my new computer, and I am Alan B. And it is the MacBook Air, and I am going to open, and has 128 gigabytes SSD. This is the charger and the instructions. Here it is my new computer. Here it is my new computer. We are going to press the power button. Now is it starting, so on. Bye my friends, see you next unboxing.